So this video is an instructional video to show you how to transfer your Revit projects from one Autodesk BIM 360 hub to another. So we're going to start in the BIM 360 environment, because what you want to do is to make sure that the project is there and it has the folders that you need. So to do that, we're in the account admin level, and there's my project. I've called it the Vinny's Data Transfer Project. So we can go into it. And what we do is just to make sure that the folders, so if we go into the document management area, that we're familiar with the folders. So what we were looking for perhaps is a work in progress, and we've got the architectural, we've got the civil, and we've got the structural. Okay, because those are the files that we're going to transfer across. So now the rest of it is actually done from within the Revit environment. So we're going to go to Revit, and we use Revit to open up the file on the existing hub. And to do that, if we go to the BIM 360 link, and when we navigate to where the files are stored, so that would be change accounts on Cadline Limited, and we look for the one that we want, and then we find the project from the project list. So it was in my design training project, and then you navigate to the folder, so it's in my project files half, and it was in my architectural, and it was the apartment blocks. So we select it, and so now what's happened is that's opened up the file in Revit, but the one that's in the BIM 360 environment. And once it's completed, it will all appear back. So there's my file. And just to check, we have some linked files, and if you go to the bottom of the project browser, you'll see there's a couple of Revit links in there with the linked files. So the structure and the terrain are two linked files to this project. If we go to collaborate, you'll see that work sharing is already active. So what we do, save as project, and if we go to this PC, we will see that we've got our BIM 360 docs environment. We navigate to now the new hub. So we find the project, which is this Vinny's Data Transfer Project. We navigate to the project folder area, and it was in work in progress, and it was in the architectural. And we just save our file there. So what that's done, that has transferred our project from the existing hub to the new hub. Okay, so that's nice and straightforward, and now that will be on the new hub. And if I was to check just to make sure that it was there, I could go back to my BIM 360 account. I can go into, there is my project itself, go to the architectural folder, and there's my file in the new location. Okay, so that's the first bit done. So what we need to do now is we need to reassociate and copy all of the linked files, and we do those in exactly the same way. So we go to the link file, we right click on it, and we say open and unload, because it needs to be opened for us to be able to save it, but it needs to be unloaded out of the linked file, the host file, otherwise it won't allow us to open it. So I say open and unload, and we say OK. So this is my structural file, and all we need to do with this one is a file, save as, cloud model. OK, then we navigate to the hub where we want, so we go to change account, go and find it. It's on Cadline Unified, in my project files, and it's in my work in progress. That's done. That's nice and straightforward. So then what we can then do is to go back to our original model. We can save the project if we want. And we go to the second file, which is a terrain. We do the same with that one, open and unload. We say OK. And we do exactly the same with that. We go to File, and that's worked perfectly. So to enable us to be able to reload these now into our uploaded host model, what we need to do is to close this one down. So the final part of the process then is to reload in the linked files from the new location. So the first one we'll do is the structure. So all we need to do now, in the project browser right at the bottom we have our linked file list. We do right click and we say reload from, and what this will allow us to do is to navigate to the new location, and you'll see that it's automatically in the project, so we can make sure we're on the right one. So make sure we're in the right location. So there's my data transfer project, and then project files, and it was in work in progress, and this was a structural one, so we find the structural file, and there it is, and we say open, and that's now brought back into my linked model from the new location. And we do the same with the terrain, so select it, reload from, and because we found this location, it should remember the location, and there it is, my terrain. And that's the complete process. So the steps were open the file up, open the host up on the existing hub, save as to the new hub, and then open and unload each of the linked files, and then save as cloud model to the new location. Remember to close them down after you've done that, so that when you go into back into the host, it will allow you to then to reload in the latest copy from the new location. And that's literally it. So thank you for that.